Kita niyo ba guys? Ayan ang itsura niya, oh. Para siyang palaman sa pandesal, Coco Jam. Diba? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chris, and I'm so happy that you guys are here because in this video, I have a lot of cool, interesting Korean skincare products that I wanted to share to you guys. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, and let's get started! This video is in collaboration with Altea Korea. They provided me with store credits para matry ko itong mga products na to para rin ma-share ko sa inyo guys, and I'm very excited. At isa pa sa mga magagandang bagay ito ko sa Altea Korea, hindi na siya dumadaan sa customs guys. Diretso siya from Korea straight to your home address or sa kung anong shipping address ang nilagay nyo. Ay, ang dami ko na sinabi. Going back to the topic of the video, let's start off with the very first product which I have right in front of me. This little guy. Ito yung mga sugar cubes na ang sarap-sarap talagang tikman. Ay, my goodness. And this is called the Bubble Sugar. Walang nakalagay kasi na brand. Basta nakita ko lang dito from grainbeauty.com. So, I'm pulling out some information coming from the Altea app. This is actually made out of 100% organic black sugar. And this is a natural handmade scrub soap. So, nung una ko siyang nakita, yun kagad yung naisip ko, this is gonna be a scrub for your body. But, dun sa claims dito sa website, ang sabi, pwede rin daw siya sa face. So, let's give it a try. Let's open this one up. Tapos, meron pala siyang sticker dun sa lid. It looks like this. Ayan o. Hindi ko alam kung manufacturing. I don't know if you guys can see. Hindi ko alam kung manufacturing date ba niya to o expiry date niya. Woo! It's very zesty. Parang amoy ng... Ang tawag doon? Yung lemon... Yung balat ng lemon. Ano yun? Ano tawag doon? Ha? It smells really nice. And it looks like that. I'm gonna show you guys. I just wanna take a quick bite of this right now. Ayan ang itsura niya, ladies and gentlemen. O, diba? Hay, nako! I'm so tempted to put this inside my mouth, pero I'm going to fight the urge. Babasain lang natin siya. Can you guys see that? So, babasain lang natin siya. Tapos, it should break down. Ay, matigas siya! Ooh, okay. Hindi siya basta-basta na lulusaw. It's very matigas. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, no? Ang smell na niya, para na siyang oatmeal. This is really nice. And akala ko very abrasive siya. Yung granules niya, very soft lang. Hindi siya yung sobrang as in matigas. Kahit nakaligo na ako, try ko pa rin siya para masubukan natin. Nakita niyo yan, guys. Hindi siya sobrang masakit sa balat. Kasi kanina yun ang worry ko eh. Kaya nung nakita ko yung malalaking granules ng sugar, sabi ko, ay, pang ano to, pang katawan. Pero sinabi nila, pwede daw sa mukha. So, ayan. Binalawan ko na yung mukha ko. And I can clearly feel that my face is super duper moisturized. It's weird. Kasi it's probably because of the thick formulation nung kanyang paglather. Basta ang sarap, para ka naglalagay ng whipped cream sa mukha mo kanina. Para sa akin, ito talaga, it's 10 out of 10. Sobrang bongga nitong product na to. Although, I don't think that this will be suited for everyday use. Mas maganda siya dun sa mga weekly at home spa na mga routine nyo, guys. And ang sarap niya sa balat. Grabe! The next item that I ordered is this. It's a cleansing tool. This is called the Meringue Foam Maker. It looks like that. So basically, lalagyan mo lang siya ng cleanser detail. Tapos may konting tubig to. Tapos igaganyan-ganyan mo lang siya. Magkakaroon ka na ng foam inside it. And sabi kasi sa Korean skincare routine, kapag mas tinier yung suds, yung mga bula ng iyong foaming cleanser, mas nape-penetrate daw yung pores underneath. Mas nalilinis niya daw. And to test that out, gagamitin ko itong aking The Face Shop Chia Seed Fresh Cleansing Foam Mousse Neto. Ayan, lalagyan natin ng cleanser dito. Siguro mga enough na yan. Pagkatapos, lalagyan natin ito ng tubig. May tubig ako dito. Siguro mga 2 kutsara. Pwede na siguro yun. Tapos ilagay natin ito dito. And then, ooh! Can you guys hear that? Nung una, akala ko this is just a waste of money, but it actually works. See that? Grabe, oh. Oh, ang thick. Feeling ko si Justin na mag-e-enjoy dito sa device na to kasi pwede siyang pang-shaving foam mo, di ba? The next product is from Skin Food. Ang tawag dito is Black Sugar Honey Mask Wash Off. Ang ganda ng packaging talaga. As in, hands down, pagdating sa mga Korean skincare products, number 1 sila sa packaging. Okay. Medyo nag-ooze out na yung product dito sa lid, oh. Pero may seal naman siya. Pero, ay, nako, ang bango-bango naman. Ba't naman ganyan yan? Oy, paano kaya to? Sige, buksan natin. Kita niyo ba, guys? Ayan ang itsura niya, oh. Para siyang palaman sa pandesal. Coco Jam. Diba? Try to apply it right here. Ayan ang kanyang itsura. It smells really, really nice. Anyway, let's apply this na lang nga. Para matry talaga natin. O, diba? Wow! Iniiwasan ko lang to area na to kasi alam niyo naman, may tigyaw tayo dyan. Diba? Oh my gosh! Sabi dito, this is a skin softening exfoliating mask that contains mineral-rich Brazilian black sugar and moisturizing honey for soft, glowing skin. I don't know if you guys can see, but my face, wag nyo na lang tingnan to ha. Dito, ayan o. Kita nyo yan? Hindi na yan basa. It's the product making my skin really glowy. Sa puntong to guys, sobrang happy na ako sa texture ng mukha ko. And medyo natatakot na ako na baka pag tinuloy-tuloy kong itry lahat tong mga skincare products na to, in this video mag-breakout ako. So this is called the Apathy Black So Fresh, So Wonderful Fresh Wash Off Pack. So this looks like that. I love the packaging. Para siyang Lush, diba? Although hindi pa talaga ako nakatry ng mga products sa Lush. I would love to, but they're so effing expensive. Anyway. Ooh! This is interesting. It's all black inside. It's like a black paste. And perfect siya for those who have blackheads, whiteheads, and sebum concerns. Alright, so kuha lang tayo ng sample. By the way, this also came with a spatula. Ooh, that's very, very thick. Parang ano talaga, parang pot. Uy, ang lamig! What? Seryoso? Okay, ang lamig niya. Whoa! Okay, let's apply this on my face right now. Okay, so nabalutan ko na yung buong mukha ko. I like it kasi hindi siya messy. Meron siyang technology na ang bilis niya mag-adhere sa balat na hindi mo siya kailangan talaga na i-work ng todo-todo para mag-stay siya in place. I love it. It's very... Whoa, what's happening to the focus? Ayan na guys, matigas na siya. Para talaga siyang clay mask. Yun ang kanyang texture. And I think there's no need for me to peel this kasi hindi naman siya ma-peel, diba? Babanlawan ko na lang siya. And then, medyo matagal siya matanggal sa balat ha. Pero yung kaninang glow ng mukha ko nawala na, diba? Kasi yung product, inabsorb niya yung excess oil sa mukha ko. So, it's a little tight and dry right now. The thing that I hate about this mask is sobrang ano siya. Dugyutin ba? Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Pero kasi naka long sleeves na robe ako. So, nung naghihilamos ako, yung kulay black na pupunta sa ganito. Medyo bakalat siya, linisan. Pero, what I love about it naman is the fact na my pores really feel as if they're tight and clean. Another mask that I have right now is called this Etude House Bubble Tea Mask. Guys, oh my gosh, can you guys see all the sago dito sa ilalim? Oh, di ba? Ang flavor niya, green tea. It's a sleeping mask. And meron siyang ganito, parang straw, pero actually parang spoon lang siya na maliit. And let's open it. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that smells so creamy. So delicious. Grabe naman siya. Ang bango-bango. Kasi tingnan natin yung itsura ng sago sa ilalim. Ayan guys. Okay, it looks like that. Magkuha lang tayo ng konti. Ano kayang texture niya? Wow! It's very slimy. Para siyang snail cream. Ayun, nakakuha ko na isa. There you go. Okay. Ayan guys, so ito na siya. Yung sago na maliit. And nadudurog siya para siyang gelatin. Tapos guys, sobrang bango niya. As in, sarap sa mukha. Parang aloe vera gel. Dahil medyo tight na yung feeling ng aking skin, yung next product na i-share ko is very perfect for this situation. This is the Angel Factory Salt Mist. Sobrang love ko to. Actually, this is my second bottle na. The reason why I love this so much is because of the mist. I don't know if you guys can see that. O, diba? Parang usok lang yung kanyang mist. And it's very, very fine. And it hydrates my skin. Ang active ingredient nito, guys, is Himalayan mineral salt. Kaya medyo may kaalatan siya kapag napunta sa bibig nyo. And this is perfect for irritated, dry skin. I have completely acne-prone, oily skin. And every time mag-wash ako ng face ko, kasi may feeling na banat na ganyan, bago ako mag-toner, nagsaspray muna ako nito. And it helps, especially yung mga active pimple na kagaya nito, na it dries them out for some reason. And para bang napapadali nila yung healing process. Sobrang obsessed ako sa mga face mist ngayon, kaya nag-restock ako nitong aking Nature Republic Aloe Gel Mist. So, spray ko lang din siya sa aking mukha. Okay lang na magpatong-patong sila dyan kasi hypoallergenic naman to. Hindi naman ako nag-breakout sa kanya. So, ayun. It brings back the moisture to my face. Last but not the least, guys, is the Sebum Out Oil Control Mist. I don't know if you guys can see, pero meron din siyang separation. May solution, tapos may powder sa ilalim. And kalugay natin siya. Tingnan natin, guys, kung may effect ba to. Una, dapat magandang sprayer nito ha, kasi may kamahalan to. Sige, tingnan natin kung mamamattify niyo yung aking mukha or makokontrol niyo yung mist. It smells really nice. Amoy tea tree, parang gano'n. The next item is somehow similar to my Acne Care Pink Lotion, pero ito naman, Korean version siya. It looks like this. And, ayan o. Looks like that. Nakikita nyo guys, ito yung solution. Andito sa baba yung powder. Okay, so subukan naman natin to. Buksan natin siya. And meron akong mahabang Q-tip. Ididip ko lang siya dito. Chin-chin. Tapos makakakuha na siya ng powder. Ayan. Tapos lalagay natin siya sa ilong ko. Zoom ko lang kayo. Okay. Sana mag-heal naman ng bonggang-bongga ang aking ilong. Pagkatapos yung amoy niya, very herbal yung smell. Ang bango-bango. Parang amoy malinis. Yung the typical Korean scent sa mga skincare products. Last but not the least, ang pinakamahal na skincare product among all na binili ko. This is called the Max Clinic Thermage Lifting Stick. I think you've seen this around and this is not the first time na lumabas to sa YouTube. Si Tati gumawa na siya ng first impression and review nitong product na to. This sells for 2,780 pesos but it's on sale for 1,850. Parang may bomb na ganyan. And then, tingnan natin na kung mag-iiba yung shape ng mukha ko kasi dito wala namang product eh. So, pag in-apply mo daw siyang ganyan, ang mangyayari, magkakaroon ng lift yung mukha mo. Ooh, parang siyang paste. Okay. Medyo malagkit lang siya, girl. Umangat na ba? Okay. Parang actually okay itong primer, ha? Pero don't quote me on that. Hindi ko pa nasubukan. May lifting ba na nangyari? Konti. Konti, merong difference, di ba? Thank you so much guys for staying until the end. As you can tell, sumobra tayo ng tagal sa pag-film kasi natuyo na yung aking buhok. And makapal yan. Usually, hindi yan natutuyo kagad. Pero anyway, all of the products that I featured in this video is gonna be down in the description box, as well as the links as to where you can get them. And special thanks to Althea Korea for letting me try all these amazing Korean skincare products. I am thinking of doing para mga separate in-depth review ng mga products na nandito. Please let me know down in the comment section ano yung gusto nyong gawa natin ng separate video. And thumbs it up para makita ko, okay? I think I'm ready for bed. I'm going to sleep now, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Mwah!